Hello and greetings from Percentilers. My name is Mayank and you're watching the 33rd video of the 100 LRDI challenge for CAT 2020. The name of the set is Celebration Dinners. Let's read. So data is given in two pieces, this and this. Okay, so the important part is that there are only 4 kinds of dishes items that could have been bought and their costs are respectively this. So dosa 25, pizza 45, burger 20 and idli 15 rupees. Then this. Okay, so first I want to write the costs. Dosa, pizza, burger, idli. Idli is 15, pizza is 20. Sorry, burger is 20, pizza is 45 and dosa is 25 rupees. Then we are told that Qualin hosted the party immediately after Urvashi. So U and Q will always come in this order in the chronology. Similarly, P, R, S, V in this order. So this we have done. This we have done. Okay, so total number of plates ordered were 60 plates. Okay, and we were already told that Piyashi, Ravanya, Sanya and Varsha had ordered more number of plates than the other 3, which makes sense that there were 3 people who ordered 8 plates each and 4 people who ordered 9 plates each, adding which we get 60 plates. So these are the 4 people who ordered 9 plates each as mentioned, because anyway it was mentioned that every day either 8 or 9 plates were ordered, neither less nor more. So by the other 3 people, U, Q and T, they ordered 8 plates each. I also want to figure out in how many varieties can we make the sum 8 and 9. If we have 2 threes, then we have to have 2 ones to make 8. But this is not allowed because of this rule that at least 3 items were ordered for 2 or more plates. Here there are only 2 items which have been ordered for more than 2 plates and the other 2 which have been ordered for less than 2 plates. Okay, so if we have 1 3, a 1 and 2 2s, then we can make 8. We can also make 8 by removing 3 and adding all 2s. Alright, so these 2 are registered for 8. How can we make 9? So clearly we can have 2 3s, with that makes 6, and then we can have a 2 and a 1 to make 9. With a single 3 I have to make 6. That could be 2 plus 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 2 plus 1 that we have already done. Okay, so these are the ways in which we can make 8 or 9 plates. Alright, so we can now go ahead to see the questions. First question says, if the maximum possible amount for the dinner party was paid on Monday, so Monday definitely 9 plates have been ordered and the people who ordered 9 plates were PRSV in this order. That means it has to be Piyashi, it has to be Piyashi, because then PRSV will be ordering on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if the maximum possible amount was paid on Monday, that means it has to be 9 plates. With 8 plates, you cannot order the most expensive as compared to with 9 plates. So it has to be Piyashi. Second option becomes the right answer. We are done. Second question. If Qualin ordered for equal number of plates of each item, alright, Qualin is the one who ordered two plates of dosa, pizza, burger and idli, which means the money that he paid must have been 50, 90, 40, 30, which is 210 rupees. Okay, so Qualin must have paid 210 rupees that day. So you have to find the maximum possible difference between the amount paid by Qualin and minimum possible amount paid by another friend. So another friend, whomsoever it is, must have ordered 8 plates only, because you want the minimum possible amount. It has to be 8 plates. Okay, so another way of making 8 was 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. So 3 I'll give to idli because idli is cheapest. Okay, then 2 and 2 I'll give to burger and dosa, and 1 I'll give to pizza. So accordingly, the amount so formed will be the smallest possible one within the conditions. So it is 45, this is also 45, this is 40, this is 50. So the amount paid by this guy is 180 rupees. So the difference 30 rupees. 30 rupees is the maximum possible difference. Also, it is the maximum possible option, which gives us more confidence that we have found the right answer. Okay, third question. On which of the following days could maximum possible number of friends host the party? For this, I have already made this table. Let us try to figure out. First, we need to understand the prescribed orders given by the question. So PRSV in this order. The other order is UQ, and the third person, the person alone is T. So what if I start with P on Monday? There are two possibilities. Either UQ are placed on Friday, Saturday or on Saturday, Sunday, and T on the remaining day. Or if I start with UQ, then also there are two possibilities, T here or P here. And if we start with T on the first day, then also there are two possibilities. Either, okay, so if we see on Monday, there are three varieties, either P or U or T. On Tuesday, there are four varieties, R, Q, P, U. On Wednesday, there are S, T, P, R, Q, five varieties. Okay, so clearly Tuesday and Monday cannot be the answer. Monday and Tuesday cannot be the answer. Thursday, let me check. So Thursday we have V, P, R, S. Four varieties. So clearly Thursday also cannot be the answer. By the process of elimination, it's Friday. However, if you wish to see for yourself without the help of options, then also we can see. So Friday we have U, T, R, S, V, five possibilities. Saturday we have Q, U, S, V, four possibilities. And Sunday we have T, Q, V, three possibilities. Hence, Friday becomes the clear-cut answer. That would be all for this set. Thank you so much guys for watching patiently. I hope you learned something. Guys, if you really like our selection of sets and our way of explanation, then please do subscribe to our channel, and to do so you can just click on the link which is showing right on your screen. Thank you so very much. This is Mayank Raj Singh signing off.